Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very quick bag of the day. I am having lunch and so I thought that I would just do a quick bag of the day. In my Facebook group, the Doonista Den, today is Forgot About It Friday, which means that we are pulling out bags that we may have forgotten that we had, or bags that we hadn't carried in a while. So this is actually the bag that I had actually forgotten that I had. If you saw my deal of the century number 2 from last year, you would have saw the reveal of this bag and how much I paid for it. And so I had totally forgotten that I own this bag. So this is the bag that I decided to pull out today, which is my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather side pocket hobo in the color chestnut. So here she is. As you can see, she is a very nice size hobo. I have enjoyed carrying her so far today. So let me just go over some of the features, but if you have not seen the video to this unboxing, I will put a link below so you can check it out and also see how much I paid for this beauty. So anyway, she has the Dooney Bourke leather patch. She has tassel zipper pulls. She also has some little leather accents here on the side. And what I love most is this beautiful red zipper. And she also has this nice size, comfortable handle that's a little bit wider than some of the bags that we see by Dooney Bourke. And the reason it's called the side pocket hobo is because it has a pocket on either side. And it is not large enough to hold a cell phone, but you can put maybe like some tissues in here. Or maybe if you smoke cigarettes, you can put a pack of cigarettes in there. I'm just trying to give you a size comparison of how large or how small these pockets are. So they are on both sides. And it does have this beautiful gold stitching that I absolutely love. And the strap is not really adjustable. It does have this little grommet here, but it's not adjustable. And then this here is just for decorations pretty much. I don't think you can really adjust that. So let's go on the inside and let me just share with you what I'm carrying. Very nice smooth zipper. She is a little pebbled, which I don't mind, especially with a hobo, because it's up against your body and stuff like that. And normally some of the smoother bags, they scratch a little bit easier. So I am happy with the texture of this bag. So you guys know I don't carry much, so I just want to give you a quick look on the inside. And I'm just traveling very light today. I have my checkbook, I have my little work badge here, I have my sunglasses, I have my clear on the go cosmetics case. And you guys know I always keep my keys in the side pocket with a snap. And I just ate lunch, so I have some hand spray, hand sanitizer there that I'm going to put back in my cosmetics bag, because I don't like anything liquid inside, floating around inside my bag. So here she is. She has the suede here, just a little bit of the suede, and she's the normal Dooney Bourke setup with the slip, the zip, and then the little accessory pockets on the side. So very nice bag. I am really enjoying carrying her today. And the video of the unboxing also included how I conditioned this beauty. She was a little bit dry when I received her, so I did condition her to give her this beautiful shine and this beautiful look. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. As I always say, once you go Dooney, you go loony. So go out and get yourself a Dooney Bourke Florentine leather side pocket hobo in the color chestnut, because you definitely can't have mine. Bye guys.